St. Mary's spires. The carnival was over in the rain, and on through Vincent Street, the evening hanging like a dream. I touched your face and saw the night again. The stars ascend and sweep the loneliness away for a while. Your fingers wide and locked in mine. I kiss your face, I kiss your eyes until they turn to me and softly smile. I walked on the river, flowing to the sun. The evening in the darkness and the rain. The Christmas lights will fall downstream, the wind so lonely and unreal. I saw your face and I thought you